Chevy Bravada, Oldsmobile, whatever. It appears, I'm assuming the dealership who installed a bunch of this stuff in here used the wrong size bolts. It's causing this actuator right in here, which you can only get to and see from the bottom and the top with the entire dash removed. Now it appears they used the wrong size screws. And it was not allowing this little flapper actuator stuff to adjust and go down to your feet, and it was just constant clicking no matter what you did. Now it appears that it still has a clicking noise, but only when you put it on face, and it only does it for a brief second. It's making me think that the continuous clicking it had been doing, being in a bind, has maybe messed the actuator up just a hair, and now it's not performing like it needs to. So in that one position it's still clicking a little, but I'm going to show it to the customer, see what they want to do. I'm not even sure how to get in there to replace that thing. From underneath there's just no access from out here. The only access would be to remove this whole unit, which is still a ton of work to go if we do that. That's it for now. Let's see what they say.